Hurricane Melissa, the strongest ever recorded. But how did it gain such power? It all started in early September when temperatures reached a record high. This created unstable air conditions. Then a perfect storm formed. Within days, winds exceeded 150 miles per hour. Melissa was quickly declared a Category 5, but it wasn't just the winds. It unleashed historic rainfall as well. In just 24 hours, it caused massive flooding. Over 10,000 homes were destroyed. The aftermath revealed devastating truths. Many underestimated its destructive power, and the world watched in horror. How did meteorologists miss this? The answer lies in climate change. Hurricane Melissa was a wake-up call as we face a new era of storms. Are we prepared for the next one?